Welcome back to the channel. Today we are on a mission to fish 3 lakes in one day. In order to do that, we're going to be hiking about 3 miles up and 1,800 feet in elevation. Here we go. Alright, I'm at pond 1 here. I wasn't even going to fish it because it looked way too shallow, as you can see here from kind of this angle. There's just a ton of grass and stuff in it, but peering over just the edge of the grass here, I'm looking at probably, I can't believe there's fishing here. There's probably 20 little brook trout right in front of me, and they're just sitting there. So we're going to try to be as stealthy as possible and see how many brook trout we can get just from shore from this one out of this pond. Okay, like I said, there's like an army of brook trout back behind me. It is hilarious in the water. I bet there's probably 30, 40, 50 now that have kind of gathered since we spooked them a little bit. So what I'm going to use for this spot is I'm just going to use a little cricket on a very small jig and just flip it right over the grass. And maybe we can just get our limit here. There's a brook right behind the camera that just feeds this. If we can get our limit here, then I'm just going to leave our limit of brook trout on the stringer here, and then everything else in the last 2 lakes that we fished today will be catch and release. Here we go. Okay, as you can see, I'm out here in the float tube. I am not at Lake 1. We gave Lake 1 a heck of a shot here, as much as we could, and basically it was unfishable from shore. I walked around to the other side of it, could not fish it from shore. All the fish were very, very spooky. There was a lot of little brook trout in there, but nothing we could get landed and or hooked. So we're out here on the second lake, the bigger lake. I've also never fished this bigger lake. I fished the 3rd lake that you'll see today, but never the big lake, so I'm kind of excited about it. And we're gonna be throwing around a little jig to start out with it tipped with a Berkeley Power Nymph. Here we go. There we go. Ooh, that one feels pretty decent. Wasn't even expecting that one. Nice. Nice. First one of the day. And he's fighting like crazy. Crazy little fighter. Wow. They're fired up out of this lake. Decent size. All right, we're on the board, boys and girls. We're on the board here. We are keeping today, so we're going to get our limit out of the way first of all. And let me give you a look at that sucker. Perfect nose hook on that one, huh? Gotta love that. Beautiful colors, perfect eater size. Get this sucker on the stringer and get back to fishing. Okay, the fish are here. I was a little worried, thinking they weren't gonna be, but they are.
20 minutes later.
All right, I think it's time to switch over to something else. This is just not cutting it today. There's a bunch that are hitting the surface right where I'm at right now. So, there we go. Smacked it. That was a good smack. Awesome. Okay, maybe the spinner's the ticket today. Screw that jig. Boy, they are nice little fighters in this lake too. Sweet. Nice little fighters in this lake. Awesome. Number 2 on the board. Right away with the Joe's Fly Spinner. So that is what we got him on here. I've never thrown this pattern before. I've thrown, I like the gold ones, but it's got like a red pattern on it. It's really nice. Perfect. There we go. Oh, we hit and we missed. Dang it. Right at the boat. Shoot. Smacked it and then he came off. Got a little too excited for that one. Shoot. That was probably the 5th cast though. So this seems like it's going to be the ticket for the day. Much more productive than that jig. Which sucks. I just don't get it. Why do they want a spinner here? Oop, here he is. Following it. And could not get him to commit. There was one following it though. There he is. Smacked it. Much better action on this lure. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. There you go. Yeah, nice little class of them out of here. Sweet. Easy off. Everybody just a very quick look at this one here. Here's your quick look. We're gonna get him on the stringer. Still to the right of me. Gonna kind of cast sort of in between them and get one of them to strike. Ooh. So, yep, right there. Awesome. Sick. Oh my gosh, for fun. Dope, man. Almost back-to-back casts. That's how productive this lure is today. Sweet. Sweet. Get you off of there. Get the net set up here just real quick. Give everybody just one really quick look. Just your standard brook trout, but we'll put them on the stringer. And we've got a limit. So now we're playing catch and release the rest of the day. Just gonna right in this area. Just been casting. Yep, there he is. Right away. That was 3 casts in a row where there was a bite. Sweet. Coming right towards us. Right towards us. We kind of gave up quick this one. Cool. Settle down, dude. We'll get you up here. We will get you up here. Get my hand wet for you. Oh, and he flopped right off. Cool. Easy release. Easy release with that one. No camera action as far as underwater goes, but easy release. Oh, come on. There's one that rose right where I cast. He's still rising. Bite it. Bite it. Yep, there he is. Perfect targeting. So sick. God, I love that. I love that when they show themselves like that and you can just target them. So cool. Beautiful little fighters, man. They are really good fighters today. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Ooh, that one's pretty. Look at that gold. That one's pretty. Big male. Get up here, Splashy. Get up here, Splashy. Get up here, Splashy. Oh, wow. That one is gorgeous. Holy cow, what a pretty fish. What a pretty fish. This one has some stunning colors. Jeez, what a gorgeous looking little brook trout. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful fish. Look at the colors on this thing. That is a stunner. There we go. Ooh, fighters. Jeez. I mean, they are really good fighters for little brook trout. This one feels pretty good, actually. Oh yeah, that's a decent male. Look at that thing. That is a nice fish. I think that's one's the biggest of the day. Wow, healthy stock out of here. Jeez, look at that one. That's a solid trout. Oh my gosh. He's got a fat head. Wow. That one's the best one of the day. Easily. Easily the best fish of the day. Let me get you off. Wow. Let's get a measure on this thing actually. Real quick here. I bet this is pushing 12. Look at that thing. Almost 13 inches. Beautiful, beautiful brook trout for this lake. Jeez, that is a solid fish. That is kind of the ones I want to keep. My goodness, I am surprised that they are that nice out of this lake. Right off the bat, there was a bite. No commitment. All right, a little tap. Something's following it. Oh, I smacked it right at the end there. Dang it. Just wasn't quite committed to it. Oh, there he was again. There we go. Finally committed. This is number 8. Kind of a foul hook, I guess. Yeah, a little bit. Little bit of a foul hook. But not too bad. See ya. Just gonna let you go like that. There we go. This one's number 8. They all seem to be kind of like out by this rock. At least the more aggressive ones do. Ooh, that one's a fat one. Female. Nice stock out of this lake, though. A lot more impressive than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be pretty crappy, to be honest with you, because the lake next door is notorious. Here's a quick look at it. He's notorious for small ones. So we'll see. Oh, something's tapping it. Something's tapping it. Something's tapping it. Come on. And they're gone. Nope, there it is. Nope, couldn't quite shoot. Yep, there it is, right at the end. Awesome. Awesome. Right at the end. Another female. Looks to be so. Looks to be so. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Boy, they're pretty out of this lake, that's for sure. Nice spots. Just got a perfect hook set in the top of the nose. Pretty easy on and off. Give everybody a quick look. This is number 9. I think once we hit 10, we're probably going to switch to the other lake, just because I don't know how this weather is going to be. Ooh, lightning. There we go. There's number 10. Ooh, that is some bad thunder. That is some bad thunder. Well, there's number 10 for the day. Beautiful, beautiful colors on these guys today. Wow. Really some awesome colors. Oof, that one really swallowed it. There we go. Pretty decent on and off. Ooh. Settle down, bro. Settle down, we'll get you back. He smacked it once. There we go. I think this is 11. We didn't do too bad on this one lake. We did not do too bad. Okay. Now you're taking off again. And now you're coming back. Come on. Come over here. Come over here. Get over here, you big male. Yep. Big male, big jaw. Oh, that sounds so ominous. Ooh, look at this. Look at this big old deformed jaw. Yikes. Kind of kiped out too. Weird jaw. Jeez, instant, right when I hit the water. Holy cow. Right when I hit the water. That was awesome. Didn't even give it a chance. This sucker just smacked it. Wow. That is an aggressive fish. Oh yeah, look at that one. That one's a nice one too. Another nice male. And it's starting to rain. And it's starting to rain. Perfect. Perfect way to end the video. To get the heck off this lake. We'll see ya. There's a fish. We're fishing in the rain, boys and girls. We're fishing in the rain. I'm doing it for you. Oh, did he come off? I feel like he came off. Did he come off? No, he's still there. He's still there. We're fishing in the rain, boys and girls. Oh yeah, there's another one. Fishing in the rain. I think this is number 13 or something. Oh man, it's getting hairy. I'm just about, can you hear that? I'm just about getting back to camp. Not even gonna pull out the underwater camera. Just gonna get this one back. See ya. Oh, there was a fish too. He's still biting it. You can take it? There you go, got him. It's 2 in the rain. 2 last minute fish in the rain here. And that one's fat. Fat little female. Oh, is this a cutthroat? Yes! Awesome! We got a cutty out of here. Look at that. I knew there had to have been cutthroat in here. Look at that. Who expected a little hen cutthroat out of here? I did not. But they do exist. Isn't that great? That is why it is so important, in my opinion, to be culling and keeping as many of those brook trout as you can, because this is a beautiful hen cutthroat. Multi-species day. Let's get it back real quick here. And gosh, that was a good surprise. Perfect way to end the video, I guess. See ya. All right, well, that's gonna be it for us. As you can see, the rain is coming down hard here, so I gotta pack up. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get these fish cleaned. If you like this episode, you know what to do. Leave me a positive comment, subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you next adventure.